Hello, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to be using these awesome products from Craspire to make some wax seals. These are just a few of the goodies that I got from Craspire in my recent unboxing, and if you haven't seen that yet, I'll link it in the description box below. Let's make some wax seals. As you'll notice, I'm using this Teflon mat to protect my surface, and I've got my candle lit and ready to go. I'm also going to be using this silicone mold, and this is more as a guide for me. I don't like to fill it up all the way so that the edges are up against the edges of the mold. I just like to use this as a guide for how large I want to make my wax seal and to get it in a nice circular shape. Also, it's a non-stick surface and I just find it very convenient. So I'll link both of these things in the description box below. When making wax seals, I like to start with 4 pieces of wax. If I'm going to be doing another of the same color or mixing this color with another color, on my next seal, I'll only put 3 pieces of wax because there'll still be a residual amount left in the little spoon. We'll just give this a minute to melt. I've got to say, I'm very impressed at how evenly this wax is melting. It's nice and smooth, it's not bubbling. To me, that's a sign of great quality wax. We're going to start off with this fun rocket ship stamp. As I mentioned in my unboxing, one of my sons is an aerospace engineer, and I plan on using this on his birthday card. I like to just pour it in the center, and then I just flip it over like that, and that keeps it from dripping. And I'm just going to put that in the center. The next stamp that we're going to be using is this downhill skier. I think this is super fun. I also have a son who has a winter birthday and he's very into skiing. So I thought this would be fun for him. He lives in Michigan, so I think it's appropriate. And let's see, I'm going to continue to use some of this silver, and let's mix that with a little bit of this blue. About 1 more silver and 1 blue. And we'll let that melt. So for this one, now that it's melted, I'm just going to take a toothpick and swirl these together just a little bit. I don't want to mix them up completely, but I just want to give it like a marbled effect. And we'll get this poured. I'm simply going to take a paper towel, and while this is still warm, not touching the spoon with my fingers or anything, I'm just going to wipe out the spoon. Get that wax off of there, and then we'll go into another color. For the next one, we're going to use gold, so I will put 4 gold in there. And let's see how this one came out. Perfect. Again, I've got to say, really impressed with the melt on this. Trust me, all wax is not created equally. Let's check this one. Oh, that came out really nice. Okay. I think we'll stick with some of the gold in there. And let's see. Let's be really adventurous. We'll do a gold and a silver and this kind of bronze color. Okay, let's take our toothpick and just do a quick swirl like that. See how that works for us. Ooh, I think this one's going to be fun. And I'll clean this out. For this one, I'm going to try 3 different colors as well. A couple of these darker blues, and kind of this medium metallic blue, and a white. Our wax is almost ready. Let's check out this one. Ooh, that's super fun. I think I'm going to do a similar kind of marbling effect on this one. At least that's what I'm going to try for. So I'm not going to do much with my toothpick, just a little bit of swirling. Almost ready. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's see what we get. Oops, a little bit of drip, that's okay. And while I've still got some blue in here, let's just work with that. I think I'm just going to do 3 of these. And for this one, I'm not even going to use my toothpick. I'm just going to pour it directly in and see if we get a fun look. Let's check this one out. Ooh, I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and make the rest of these off camera, and then we'll come back and decorate them together with these awesome pens. Really excited to use these. So these are metallic color pens that are specially designed for adding detail to your wax seal. I love all of the fun colors, and I think what I'm going to do is come in a little bit, zoom in a little bit so that you can see what I'm doing. So on this silver one, I think we're going to highlight the rocket with this gold. Just amazing how it makes the detail really pop. Really, all you have to do is just lightly go over the detailed areas, the raised areas. I had so much fun making these, I didn't want to stop. So let me just show you quickly, one by one, how they turned out. Thank you so much, Craspire, for sending these items free of charge for my review. I really had fun playing with them, and I can't wait to use these seals on cards that I make for my son's future birthdays. I'll link all of these items in the description box below, as well as a general link to Craspire. And don't forget to use my coupon code of Brown and the number 5 to receive a discount on your order. I hope you enjoyed making wax seals with me today, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!